The heart has to pump all the blood to your brain, to all part of your body, suddenly figure out, okay? So you should not do that. I will show you how to get out. Just look at me, okay? Which side is the heart? Where? Right side or left side? Right side or left side? Left side, okay. So what you do is that you get up from your right side. Because you give your heart over the left. Okay. So what you do that, I don't know how to figure it out. Concentration. See, what needs is concentration. Okay, if you concentrate on your feet, on your toes, you don't fall down. Slowly. Okay, now stand here like this and close your eyes. Relax your shoulders. Just feel the weight of your body on your feet. Relax fully. You will be moving a little bit. Right, left, over. This is called Thana. Thana means, I will tell you, so don't ask me. Thana means palm tree. Palm tree is tall, so you are also tall. And the palm tree has roots, you are strong on your feet. And when the wind comes, when the problems come, you will go with the problems, you will this side, that side, chest or back, but you don't fall. Stand straight, close your eyes, feel the weight of your body on your feet and relax. Okay? Now concentrate on your feet. Just feel the sensation on your feet. What are the sensations? Just feel it and you accept it as it is. This Tadasana is an example for your life. You are strong on your feet, you don't fall down when you have problems. The problems will come from different side, back side, sidewise, but you go with it and come back to your position again. Have you seen any coconut tree falling in the wind? No. Other trees will fall, but you don't fall, right? I will not fall. Yes, yes. No, this is symbolic. Very good. Okay. Now come to your calf muscle. Feel the sensation on your calf muscle. You are not reacting. You are proacting with whatever sensation you have on your legs. Come to your thighs. You will feel some sensation, something like itching or vibration or coolness or like cold or hot. Whatever sensation, just give it and come up. Your hip. Feel the sensation there. Accept it as a reality. Yesterday's class I told you, it don't change the reality of how you look like, it don't change your parents, it don't change where you are born. Even your name is not your choice, right? Somebody else put the name for you. And you are known by that. So like that, these are realities we accept. So this is the experiential level. You feel the sensation on your body and you don't react to it, but you accept the reality. Come to your stomach, muscles, feel the sensation there. And say, okay. Go to your abdomen inside. Feel the sensation. Whatever. And do it a little faster. Now go to your chest muscles. Feel the sensation. Accept it as it is. Go in here. Come to your shoulders. Now just relax you just feel the sensation of your backbone at the back. Come to your shoulders again. Feel the sensation of your fingers. Weakness or whatever you feel. Come to your elbow. Come to your upper hand. Shoulders again. Feel the sensation of your neck. Move on to your breathing. Just scan your Do some itching, but don't get it. It's okay. That's fine. Then come to the crown of your head. Feel the sensation. Now we'll go down from the crown of your head with your facial muscles, back of your head, stand your neck, come down to your shoulders. You feel a lot of sensation happening in your hands. And come to shoulders again. And put your chest and back together. Go down to stomach and your back. Feel the sensation. Come to your hip. Go down to your legs. Feel the sensation. Come to your knees. Stand your body up. Your calf muscles. Upward. Put your ankles. Now your feet. Feel the sensation on your lower the sole of your chest. And then your toes. Body has no sensation. Okay? So this will teach you how to concentrate. Okay, now let's stand like this. Let's see. Don't bring forward. So, what are you doing? You are actually stretching your back. So, one, two, now another, three, and four. Or flexing your back, hands up. Flexing your back. Okay. One line. One, two, bend your back. Now, slowly go back and touch your toes. Without bending the knees. Go up. And then backwards. Oh, no fun. Here, this is not a funny class. One class is over. You walk up, this is very serious, man. One more time. Breathing in. Breathe out. Go on and go. Now, your head and hand go together. Head and hand. You begin up. And then backwards. Now what we are doing, we are taking our backwards. You are this area. This is the seat of our energy. This place should be very flexible. When you are not seated, this is so. They take the Madhya Pradesh. Because that is the benefit. They say no. What problem is like cancer, you can take it out. They know what is happening. So this is the energy of your body. It is very flexible. Okay, that's what you do. Very good. At the end of it, I'll show you family. Don't try to don't try to that's the law. Okay. Now, starting to you study the law. You nine. Okay, now can we do something carry now? Okay. Hello. This is not for joke. Okay, so I will tell you how to do. When you catch your leg, you have to push back your leg. Then you will automatically go out. Yeah, like that. Very good. Right. Yeah, that's it. Please do slowly. Go out. Yeah. Up. That's it. Yeah. So you will push your leg backwards and sidewise. I will show you. Be like crocodile. Today is going to be another wonderful day in my life. I'm not going to tell any lie, I'm not going to tell anything bad to others. I'll behave very well in my class. I'll be respectful to my parents, to my teachers, to everybody. Because I know there are mirrors around me. Remember yesterday's class? Hello? Do you remember yesterday's class I told you where are the mirrors for your behavior? Okay, look at that. What are they doing? I'm looking at you. That boy is crazy. So take care of that. Who can come here and tell me what did you learn from my class yesterday? Yeah. Why you are showing to others? You want to? Very good. Give a big hand, please. Very good. What's your name? Huh? No. It's it. Yeah.
We are the center of the earth.
Center of the universe. Yeah. Surrounded by your parents. Okay, number one is that you are the center of the universe. Very important. And you are making things, whether it should be positive or negative. Give me the remote. And number three, my teacher wanted me to be the first in the class, and I am going to be that experiment. Hello. Okay. So that another one I taught you how to learn. Okay. Now who want to talk about that? Now, Thank you very much. Hello, hello. Speak loud. So that everyone can hear. Yes. No, we will talk about that Vata Pujam and the eyes in that nose. You remember that? The Vata Pujam.
Yesterday.
You know the Vata Pujam? And in eyes, ears. Why they have eyes? And ears? Okay, so these two things we are going to use very powerful things. How? So what happens when you hear something? You stay in your brain for how long? Very good, 24 hours. So within 24 hours, if you study that again, what happens? If you stay for 1 month, so your masters is good. And then you stay for 3 months. And if you study that 3 months, then you stay for 6 months. So you are already getting ready for your half year exam.
Then after 6 it's 1 year.
1 year, yeah, that means you will be. So in all your subjects you can get a full mark. Yes or no? Okay. Okay. What else did I say yesterday's class? Yeah. Another thing is that
Currency happens always when you think this is what you are, and others think this is what you are. And actually, we have to mix them both, and that's what you are.
very good. Please give me hand. Very good. If you don't know very good. Yes. And I talk about the mirror. What are you doing in the mirror?
To know your behavior and things.
Exactly. Now, yesterday I took the class to stay for 24 hours. Now I am repeating that again. How long will you stay?
1 month!
So within 1 month, are you going to remember this again? I will make a group and then I can send messages so that you remember that again. So what she said is correct, no? There are mirrors around you which reflects you about your actions, your behavior. So what you think is not exactly what you are, but what others think about you is also important. So what you do, you will make very transparent to yourself, so nobody tell anything bad about you. Okay? Very good. Okay, now you know. Now who can tell me what is yoga? Boys, why only girls coming? Come on, boys. No, one boy. What is yoga? What is yoga? I just told you. Did you forget already? What is yoga? Yoga is the harmony of your body, mind, and your soul. What is the soul in the? Yeah, soul I don't know where it is. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. So your soul is the passenger in your body. Our duty is to bring this passenger to the destination. Now you take a taxi. Okay, listen. Now listen. Now you take a taxi. Okay, you are the passenger in the taxi. And then who is the driver? Driver is the mind. And which are the wheels? These are the senses. Okay. So the car is you are want to go to airport, but the driver is taking you somewhere else. You like it, huh? You like it?
Never.
So the driver should drive the car directly to the destination, which is the airport, because you want to go to that place. So like that, our soul should reach the destination. Yes? So that is what is yoga. Okay, what is yoga asana? Yoga asana is keep your body. Yes, no. Very good. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, thank you very much. Stretching of your muscles so that there will be blood circulation for all your body. That's all. When there is no circulation of your blood, what happens? That part of your body will become dead. So you stretch your muscles and that's what you do. Breathing exercise. Okay. Now we will do the breathing exercise and your stomach muscles out. Slowly breathing in. Keep your stomach muscles out. More air in, more air in, more air in. Now slowly breathe out. Take your stomach muscles in. So the whole air goes out. Why we are doing this? Because we want to expand our chest, our lungs. Okay. So slowly breathing in, expand your chest. Take your stomach muscles out. More breath in, more breath in, more breath in. Now when you cannot take any more breath, stop. And slowly breathe out. Press your stomach muscles in and breathe out. Breathing in. Breathe out. So you get more oxygen inside and all the carbon dioxide goes out. So you are flushing the carbon dioxide outside. Okay? So let us start doing together. Okay? Now relax. Slowly breathing in. Expand your chest. Take your stomach muscles out. More breath in. More breath in. More breath in. Now breathe out. Press your stomach in and breathe out. Now breathing in. Slowly expand your chest. Take your muscles, stomach muscles out. More air in. More air in. More air in. Now breathe out. Breathe out fully. One more time. Slowly breathing in. Expand your chest, take your stomach muscles out, more air in, more air in, more air in. Now breathe out. Take your stomach in and breathe out. Now slowly breathing in again one time, last time. Just stomach out and slowly breathe out, stomach in. Now, if you're stressed out, something happened at home or whatever, or you feel like you're not relaxed, so what we do is that just sit wherever you are, close your eyes and slowly breathing in, fully inside and then fully exhale. You understand the technique? Anybody else don't understand, you can ask me. You understand? Okay. Now the next one is very important. You are going to breathe with your stomach. How I do. Look at this. Okay, what we do is that you will just take your stomach in and that time you breathe out. Okay, I just show you like this. Sit like this and take your stomach suddenly inside and that time you breathe out. Like don't make noise. I made noise so that you can understand. Okay, we'll go slowly, 10 times, okay. Take your stomach, just contract like this, that time you breathe out. We're doing it correctly. Come on. Just sit properly, only your stomach. Just take the stomach in, that time breathe out. Not the shoulder, only stomach. Very good, yeah. Somebody is doing correct, yeah. Very good. Very good. Don't need to do like that, only stomach. Okay, concentrate only on the stomach. This is called Kapalabhati. If you do this, you will never get asthma. You never get problem with your lungs. People who have asthma, if you know anybody with asthma to practice. Now we will do 20 times. Okay, ready? Close your eyes. Start. Now you can do it. The good news is that you start with the 10. The bad news is you can go up to 300. So what you do is like this. You start slowly. Then you will go slowly, but don't stop at exhale. Now, close your one nose like this. No, no, this is down. Like this. Keep your hand like this. Keep your hand like this. Yeah. One nose down and then slowly breathing in. Now close that nose and breathe out from the other nose. Now slowly breathing in from the same. You slowly breathing in from the same nose. Now breathe out from the other nose.